Today, our ingredients for Oreo Balls, White Chocolate Oreo Balls. These are a fun, fast treat that you can make for the kids in a heartbeat, and I think you really took a lot of time. Our ingredients are real simple. You're gonna need a package of Oreo cookies. They are awesome, and they are what make this what they are. You're gonna need some cream cheese, and that's basically it. You could actually make these and then dip them in some white chocolate, which are gonna melt, and they could be done. But we've been playing around with these for years, and I'll tell you, they're really fun when you add a little bit of chocolate syrup. You could add marshmallows that are fun. Even peanut butter has a real nice twist, which I'm going to add today. Honey and brown sugar also give it a little hint of something. So that's it. I mean, if you want to put other stuff in here, you're welcome to definitely play around and experiment at your will. But for today, we're going to use these ingredients. You could definitely substitute other stuff, and I'll talk more about it. Come back, we're going to show you the utensils here for these Oreo balls on Expert Village.